Welcome to another screen printing tip. I'm Mark Suadolnik, Textile Application Specialist at Graphic Solutions Group. Today we're going to be printing Wilflex Epic Cork Base. Like the name says, cork base is going to give you a cork feel and a similar texture. It's also going to add some dimension to your print. What we did is we took right off the shelf sienna brown and added 5% into the cork base. We're going to print this through a 110 mesh. We're going to flood it. Do 2 passes, and then we're going to flash it. As you can see, after it was flashed, the color lightens up. Any of these bases that have a blowing agent in them or expand, keep in mind that your color is going to lighten. Now we'll go ahead and do 2 more passes. There you have it, Wilflex Epic Cork Base. We have a nice cork feel, some dimension, and add a little more value to a one-color print. For more tips and information, visit gogsg.com. We'll see you next week.